How to export contacts to CSV on iPhone. The first step is to go to the App Store and on the search bar type up export contacts to CSV Excel. After you type this up, you will see plenty of results in the search results as you can see on the screen, but choose the one that is free as most of these apps are not free. Once you scroll a little bit down, you can see the free version as you can see on the screen. Download this app and after this, open this once downloaded. Allow the necessary permissions and among the three options that you can see, click on Export to Excel CSV. Here you will see all your contacts exported with an organized manner of name, middle name, last name, phone number, email, and Apple ID in different columns. You can then export the file by clicking on the export option on the top right corner, and this will open a pop-up box as you can see on the screen, and you will have several options to export the file as well. And this is how you can easily export contacts to CSV on iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.